Yo, what is up guys? I hope you all doing good today. So guys, last year around October I took part in this sweepstake by Adidas. So it was basically like 8 limited Adidas Crazy 8 ADV packs around the whole world for like the sweepstake, and I was luckily one of them. I woke up and it was in the mail, so it was like a huge shipment and I was really excited to see it. Guys, without any further ado, let's go ahead and unbox. So guys, as you can see, these were two empty boxes on the top, but the actual stuff is inside. I got it in like size 11. Let's go to the actual stuff. This is what we have inside there, guys. But we got those white ADVs. And then guys, we have these Crazy 8 ADVs in black. And this guys is a custom crazy embroidered snakeskin mini basketball. This guys is the 24K gold plated crazy hospital. This is the 8 out of the 8 in the whole world. So guys, my favorite thing out of all of this is these Crazy 8 ADVs in black. I mean, look at the design. It's so sick. So guys, comment below and let me know what was your favorite piece out of all this. Alright guys, so take care for now. I will hope to see you in another video. Bye for now.